If you're a developer who loves tiny tools, then you need to try N-Prolog. If you're learning logic programming, then you need something simple to run. If you want results without a heavy install, then you need this demo. Start at the N-Prolog GitHub page, grab the repo link. Open a terminal and run git clone, then cd into the repo. Build it with make, one command, quick compile. No package managers, no heavy deps, just make. Now run the binary. .npl, you'll drop straight into the N-Prolog prompt. Try a sample query. Type member x a b c. You'll see x seeks a press semicolon for more answers, x seeks b, then x seeks c, then false. That's Prolog backtracking in action, simple and immediate. N-Prolog is tiny, fast, and perfect for demos or learning logic programming. Fork the repo, peek at the source, and experiment with your own predicates. N-Prolog, small, fast, simple. Clone, make, query. N-Prolog, small, fast, simple. Link in the description.